Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to do long division with remainders. Here's a bunch of practice problems on andymath.com, and we'll just do maybe the second one right here. 156 divided by 7. So how many times 7 go into 1? No times. So now we'll try 7 into 15. It goes in twice. 2 times 7 is 14. We subtract, we get 1. Bring down the 6. How many times does 7 go into 16? Twice. 2 times 7 is 14, and then we have a remainder of 2. We're done with all of our numbers up here, and 7 can't go into 2, so now that is our remainder. So the answer to this one should be 22 remainder 2, and it is 22 remainder 2. So that's how to do long division with the remainder. If you want to practice more, you can try these on andymath.com. Just go to andymath.com. From this homepage, you can go down and find long division, or you can just type long division, and you can filter further by typing remainders, and there's the one long division with remainders. So feel free to try some of these out. All the answers are listed. Just click on them. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.